Subconscious mind power explained. The power of your subconscious mind goes further than you might think. No pun intended. I'm sure you'll agree with me when I say our brains are extremely complicated. However, you might be surprised by how much control we have over its programming. Before I get to that, let's first take a moment to consider the fact that your subconscious mind is like a huge memory bank. Its capacity is virtually unlimited and it permanently stores everything that ever happens to you. By the time you reach the age of 21, you've already permanently stored more than 100 times the contents of the entire Encyclopedia Britannica. Under hypnosis, older people can often remember, with perfect clarity, events from 50 years before. Your unconscious memory is virtually perfect. It is your conscious recall that is suspect. The function of your subconscious mind is to store and retrieve data. Its job is to ensure that you respond exactly the way you are programmed. Your subconscious mind makes everything you say and do fit a pattern consistent with your self-concept, your master program. This is why repeating positive affirmations are so effective. You can actually reprogram your own thought patterns by slipping in positive and success-oriented sound bites. This is why motivational activities, such as reading inspirational quotes, are so impactful for people committed to positive thinking. By focusing your thoughts on uplifting ideas, your subconscious will begin to implement a positive pattern in your way of thinking and your outlook on life. Your subconscious mind is subjective. It does not think or reason independently, it merely obeys the commands it receives from your conscious mind. Just as your conscious mind can be thought of as the gardener, planting seeds, your subconscious mind can be thought of as the garden, or fertile soil, in which the seeds germinate and grow. This is another reason why harnessing the power of positive thinking is important to the foundation of your entire thought process. Your conscious mind commands and your subconscious mind obeys. Your subconscious mind is an unquestioning servant that works day and night to make your behavior fits a pattern consistent with your emotionalized thoughts, hopes, and desires. Your subconscious mind grows either flowers or weeds in the garden of your life, whichever you plant by the mental equivalents you create. Your subconscious mind has what is called a homeostatic impulse. It keeps your body temperature at 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit, just as it keeps you breathing regularly and keeps your heart beating at a certain rate. Through your autonomic nervous system, it maintains a balance among the hundreds of chemicals in your billions of cells so that your entire physical machine functions in complete harmony most of the time. Your subconscious mind also practices homeostasis in your mental realm, by keeping you thinking and acting in a manner consistent with what you have done and said in the past. All your habits of thinking and acting are stored in your subconscious mind. It has memorized all your comfort zones and it works to keep you in them. This is why it's so important to make writing SMART goals a regular habit. After time, staying productive and focusing on all of your goals will become part of your comfort zone. Your subconscious mind causes you to feel emotionally and physically uncomfortable whenever you attempt to do anything new or different or to change any of your established patterns of behavior. The sense of fear and discomfort are psychological signs that your subconscious has been activated. But it's been working to establish those behavior patterns in the background long before you'll ever notice such feelings. The tendency to commit to these patterns is one reason why habits can be so hard to break. However, when you learn to purposefully create such patterns, you can harness the power of habit and purposefully instill new comfort zones to which your subconscious will adapt. You can feel your subconscious pulling you back toward your comfort zone each time you try something new. Even thinking about doing something different from what you're accustomed to will make you feel tense and uneasy. This is why time management tips may be tougher to implement at first, but once they become habit or routine, they will stay in your comfort zone. In doing so, you've reprogrammed your subconscious to work in your favor. Superior men and women are always stretching themselves, pushing themselves out of their comfort zones. They are very aware how quickly the comfort zone, in any area, becomes a rut. They know that complacency is the great enemy of creativity and future possibilities. For you to grow, to get out of your comfort zone, you have to be willing to feel awkward and uncomfortable doing new things the first few times. If it's worth doing well, it's worth doing poorly until you get a feel for it, until you develop a new comfort zone at a new, higher level of competence. For those looking to expand their realm of comfort zones, I highly recommend considering the habits of successful people, as they are the patterns commonly adopted by the minds of great leaders and thinkers. Unlocking the power of these behaviors will put you one step closer to being able to make the same things happen in your life. Learning techniques to reprogram your subconscious mind will help you believe in yourself, because your confidence will no longer be challenged by fear of the unknown. But more importantly, doing so will train your brain to be in line with your true desires, dreams, and life goals. The more in tune with your subconscious you become, the closer you will be to breaking through to success. For example, you might have an idea for a book that has been on your back burner for years. With the right level of confidence, you'll take the next step in learning how to write a book, rather than clinging to the dream, but never acting. Remember, taking immediate action on your ideas is a powerful key to success. Freeing yourself from self-limiting beliefs or doubts is the first step to being primed for action. Did you know you can harness the power of your subconscious mind by using affirmations? Try taking the free affirmations challenge below. Feel free to share this post and leave a comment if you enjoyed it.